taking a
Strikes off end of day.
yeah, I'm taking a shot here at longs. Hold on.
Oh my gosh! Look at that!
And
Look at that go!
yeah,
Look at that go!
boom, perfect.
Oh my god!
Look at that, bro. That was a perfect imbalance. Let's see here. So my stop on this is gonna be. I mean, we're really far away here. This is a really quick scalp. Let's see here. See if we can get that push up to PDH.
Maybe even pre-market high.
Yeah, I mean, I do like buyers right here a lot. That was a beautiful.
You finally made a higher high.
You see here how it came down, tagged that cloud, and then just really like pushed up right there.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
here we
bro,
go.
this is a beautiful play. This is beautiful.
Yeah, there was a lack of selling at that end of day level.
Yeah. And that's how I try to approach like a critical level. I'll be like, okay, like, you know, if I'm expecting selling to come in, what does it supposed to look like, right? And if it's just respecting that cloud, I'm, you know, I'm gonna play off that present moment price action a little bit more.
Yep.
All right, let's see how we could do here. SPX contracts, I'm up about 38% on this.
Very nice.
Yeah, and she's pushing. But their contracts aren't moving the way they usually do. Oh, there we go.
Oh my gosh, we're almost in previous day high on SPY.
Very lovely.
Oh my god, oh my god. Whoa.
Look at, oh, bro. All right. Yeah, that's about 68%. See if we can keep going here.
Crazy, waiting for the biggest candle of the day.
Bro, the entry was right on. It was literally a couple seconds, like perfect entry. Yeah. I'm debating here on taking some profit. I only have one contract, so I think I'm going to see here real quick. Oh my lord, this thing's cooking.
Oh my god, here we go.
Bro, this thing is cooking. Yo.
That's wild.
Unbelievable, bro. That's over 100. Oh wow. Okay, hold on.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Bro, that was a monster. Yo, I'm still in this. Okay.
That's a move worth waiting for.
Unbelievable. Yeah, I'm gonna close this out.